Hello everyone, you are back to Vanarshala tutorials with me Kriti, and we are going to do a quick warm up for your parkour practice. I'm assuming कि आपने अपना joints warm up, basic stretching, walks वगैरह कर लिया होगा, and this warm up is actually going to make your parkour practice really smooth and easy. You won't face injuries or hiccups when you're trying to do the bigger moves you want to do. Let's get started. इस वार्म अप में मेनली 5 मूवमेंट्स हैं जिसके कंपोनेंट्स आप ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं हमारे डिफरेंट ट्यूटोरियल्स में. So we are going to run quickly through this. All these 5 are transitions. They help you transition smoothly between one movement to another. For your reference, the playlist to all these reference videos is right here. Just click on it and get your details if you're missing on any of the movements. The first transition is crawl to table or crawl to crab. Let's start. So come down in a crawling position where your square should be maintained, and we are going to slowly make a small circle to crab. So don't go too far from your body, but go as slowly as you can. Remove one hand. Let your standing arm feel the weight of your body. Shoulder go for the deep mobility and take your weight on your other hand and start shifting back. दोनों साइड करेंगे और इस स्पीड में करेंगे. The crawl to crab to back transition should be smooth. Don't stop anywhere. We are going to do 10 on each side. Number 2 is crab to lunge or table to lunge. I'm going to use both words. I don't know which one you're using. So crab to lunge walk. Let's see. Come in your crab position. Keep the square. And now I'm going to change my direction 90 degrees. So if I'm facing there, that's 0 degree, and 90 would be facing you. Going to release one leg and opposite arm. Send it back all the way, and that's my lunge. You can also do a push-up here. Going to come in. Now I'm going to face opposite of you. And faster. Of these and your glutes are warmed up. Number 3 is Kong to table or Kong to crab, monkey to crab, whatever you want to call it. Let's get started. Going to go down in Kong position, which is this because that's the Kong movement, right? So we're going to go for a Kong, but twist our body to enter table or crab like this and go back. Just for your understanding, again, don't go too far. Keep the weight on one arm. Try to lead with your hips and shoulders, and you'll find that it's easy to enter table like this. Then on each side, let's go to number 4. Number 4 is the leg switch. You can also refer to the safety vault video to get a clear understanding of this. This is what it looks like. Going into a deep squat, one hand down, and you're going to release the same leg जिसके hand पे आपने weight लिया. So same leg को free कर दीजिए. You have this. Now we're going to pull it back and in the same momentum go for your other leg out like this. And change. Keep changing. That's number 4, 10 on each side. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 is the most challenging but also the most enjoyable one. It's coffee grinder to leg switch or coffee grinder to safety vault. Goes like this. Going to sit down in a deep squat. Hands down. Going to start out for a coffee grinder. And now when this leg comes in, we're actually going to switch and send the other one out like this. Okay, let's see that again. So hands पे weight लिया. एक leg को free किया. Use your obliques, your sides to really hold it up. Turn it around. Boom. Leg switch. A little faster and it would look like this. And change your leg. And change. So this is a little challenging and you can do 5 on each. But if you can do 10 on each, go for it. There's 3 main benefits ऐसी तरह की warm up करने का. Number 1, you'll stay away from injuries far away. Number 2, you'll find it really easy to learn new movements because all your body parts will be warmed up and you'll be really feeling it like I am. And number 3, you'll find it really easy to flow in your movements. Like आपको लगेगा बहुत smoothly move करते जा रहे हैं अपने अलग अलग movements में. So you'll find flow in your body. Like this video, please share it with your friends. Comment करके बताओ क्या सीखना है. Subscribe करो. Bye.